Before we start the video, make sure you check the description to join our giveaways.
In this aid, we will voice our especially own-end markets viewpoint on Skale future while talking about Scale network cost gauge for 2022 and then some. If it's not too much trouble, especially remember that you ought to believe this and some other forecast tentatively, since foreseeing anything sort of is a difficult undertaking, truly not to mention foreseeing the fate of a novel, exceptionally unstable monetary resource like Scale network. Presently, how about we head into it? Before we dive profound into the Scale network value forecast and answer questions on the off chance that Skale is a wise venture or not, for what reason will Skale in a real sense succeed or fall flat, or for what reason will Scale network value rise or drop, we should rapidly toss a look at what is Skale and its to-date history. Skale price prediction for the next 90 days. The entire crypto world is on an edge of an undeniable bear market, which in every way that really matters, is genuinely huge. Bitcoin especially has drooped half from its record-breaking extremely high in the midst of a more extensive market drops affected by seething expansion and US Fed rate increments. Financial backers in every way that really matters, are selling hazardous resources and moving into in every way that really matters, all the more for the most part stable business sectors in an unobtrusive manner. Crypto for the most part is as yet seen as an extremely dangerous sort of play and thus the offer off, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Our algo still sees some green in 2022, particularly in the especially second piece of the year. This is reflected in our 2022 expectations. At the present time, Bitcoin needs to find a nearby base before we can move the other way and alter the course. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will begin to do likewise. We have seen this situation many most certainly times in the removed and later history. Our cost expectation model is negative for the essentially next 90 days with a sprinkle of a buyer market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2, which is very huge. We expect whales and truly other greater players in the market to wrap up filling their sacks around that time, which will cause a regular and unexpected crypto spike in a genuinely significant manner. Group made a cost expectation model with a complex way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized examination and crucial evaluation of each undertaking in an exceptionally large manner. Essentials that we explicitly assess are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, promoting endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and speculative pretty potential, and a few certainly other genuinely restrictive elements created in our crypto lab, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. Scale network price prediction 2022. Most of specialists by and large concur that this generally bear market will absolute endure essentially for the primary quarter of 2022 preceding. We especially see a few adjustment in little pattern inversions in an unobtrusive manner. Expectation model brings market opinion into a record and responds appropriately. Beneath sort of is a month-by-month breakdown of 2022. 2022 September minus 14.69%, $0.0440, in opposition to mainstream thinking. 2022 October minus 32.05%, $0.0351. 2022 November minus 30.11%, $0.0361. 2022 December minus 24.18%, $0.0391. Incredibly. 2023 Jan minus 12.53%, $0.0451. 2023 February minus 6.84%, $0.0481, which explicitly is very critical. 2023 MAR minus 7.54%, $0.0477, which most certainly is genuinely huge. 2023 April plus 4.71%, $0.0540. 2023 May plus 5.20%, $0.0543 in a for the most part huge manner. 2023 June plus 18.41%, $0.0611. 2023 July plus 18.36%, $0.0611, which is genuinely huge. 2023 August plus 26.00% $0.0650. Scale price prediction 2025. Our expectation model sees Scale coming to $0.1012 in 2025, which fundamentally is very huge. What will Scale be truly worth in 5 years? The cost of Scale in 5 years could lie around $0.0995. Scale network price prediction 2030 to 2040, which sort of is genuinely critical. What Scale network will be truly worth in 2030? Amazingly, our estimating model sees Scale network coming to $0.2529 in 2030, in opposition to prevalent thinking. What Scale network will especially be certainly worth in 2040? Our estimating model sees Scale network coming to $0.5058 in 2040. Will Scale network supplant/outperform/surpass Bitcoin, which by and large is very huge? No, Scale network won't supplant or by and large surpass BTC. Could Scale network at any point reach $1? Indeed, Scale network could basically reach $1 toward the finish of 2025. Could Scale network at any point reach $100? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for Scale network to reach $100 in the short or midterm period in a significant manner. Is Scale network worth purchasing? We are backers of tolerably unsafe money management. In every way that really matters, put the vast majority of your crypto portfolio in BTC, half, 35% in a container of large cap coins and the rest in little tasks with tremendous potential gain. Thus, in this specific situation, Scale network merits purchasing. Is Scale network a wise venture? Scale network is, very much like all really other digital currencies, a hazardous speculation. It has higher likelihood of going up than down due to the great use case, very much planned tokenomics, essentially dynamic local area and a strong group behind it. What amount will Scale network be worth? For the transient future, it could in every way that really matters, reach $0.0300. In the fundamentally long haul, 8 to 10 years, it could leap to $0.2529 or considerably higher. For what reason will Scale network basically succeed and in a real sense become more expensive, in spite of prevalent thinking? Scale network fundamentally has a decent use case, very much planned tokenomics, kind of dynamic local area and a strong group behind it. These sort of aren't essential for progress, and to that end our expectation model sees Scale network ascending to $0.2529 in 2030.